Namaste. Welcome to Reset Your Shakti. So right now we're going to look at Dhanurasana, the asana which we do on the belly or prone position. And we already have discussed that every detail about this asana is explained in your guide. So please refer there. And this is just your practical guide. So I'm going to demonstrate how to do Dhanurasana. I'm going to lie down on my belly. Hands next to your body, chin on the floor. For this asana, separate your feet a little bit. Now slowly bend your knees. Hold your ankles. Exhale, and while inhaling, pull your body towards the ceiling, just like a bow. Look up. Hold as much as possible. Find the stability in this pose. Find your center, your balance, and breathe normal. Slowly bring your chin and thighs on the floor. Hands next to your body. Straighten both the legs. Join your feet. Slowly bring yourself in sitting position. Happy practice.